The captain's chair exercise is highly recommended by fitness experts. In a study sponsored by the American Council on Exercise, the captain's chair was ranked as the second most effective exercise for the abdominal muscles. I am presenting 3 variations. The first is the bent knee raise, perfect for beginners. Press your back against the support and slowly lift your knees toward your chest. Focus on curling the pelvis upward and rounding the lower back slightly, then lower with control. The primary targets are the lower abs and the hip flexors. These are the common mistakes. First, swinging. Do not use momentum and perform each rep in a controlled manner to maintain tension. Second, doing partial reps. Do not stop the lift when your knees are parallel to the floor, or your hip flexors will do most of the lift. The intermediate level is the straight leg raise. Lift your legs straight out in front of you until they slightly exceed the 90-degree angle. Not only the abs and hip flexors are engaged here, the quads are in an isometric contraction to lock the knees. Now let me put on my mean face as things are getting harder. This is the advanced level, the weighted leg raise, to increase the intensity. Hold a dumbbell between your feet and curl your legs up as in the previous form. If you are not familiar with this exercise, I recommend this approach. Start with bent knee raise, then progress to the straight leg variation. As you get stronger, you can move to the advanced level. Thanks for watching. Till next time.